This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a resume website in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional online presence or just showcase your skills and experience in a modern way, creating a resume website can be a game changer. With Squarespace, this process is both straightforward and efficient, even for beginners. Let's dive into it. First, head over to accounts.squarespace.com. If you already have a Squarespace account, you can log in, but if you're new to Squarespace, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, the sign up process is quick and easy, just requiring some basic information. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Here, you want to click on Create a Website. This is your starting point for building your resume site. After clicking Create a Website, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Squarespace offers a wide variety of design templates tailored to different needs. To make your search easier, filter the categories by portfolio or professional services. These categories are ideally suited for resume websites, offering designs that are both professional and visually appealing. Alternatively, you can opt for a clean, minimalist design if you prefer something simple and straightforward. Take your time to explore the templates and don't hesitate to preview them to see how they might look with your content. Once you've found a design that resonates with your personal style and professional needs, select it to start customizing. Now comes the fun part, modifying and editing your chosen template. This is where you can truly make your resume website your own. Squarespace's drag and drop interface makes it easy to adjust elements like text, images, and layout. Begin by adding your name and contact information prominently on the home page. This makes it easy for potential employers or clients to reach out to you. Next, focus on your resume content. You can create sections for your work experience, education, skills, and any projects or portfolios you want to highlight. Feel free to use the editing tools to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing until everything looks just right. Squarespace also allows you to add additional pages if needed, such as a blog or a dedicated portfolio section. As you're editing, remember to periodically save your changes. Squarespace saves automatically, but it's always a good idea to make sure that your work is safely stored. You can preview your website at any time to see how it will look to visitors. This is a great way to ensure that everything is coming together as planned and that your site is both attractive and easy to navigate. Once you're satisfied with how your resume website looks, you can go ahead and publish it. Squarespace makes the publishing process seamless, allowing your site to go live with just a few clicks. Congratulations, you now have a professional resume website that you can easily share with potential employers, clients, or anyone interested in learning more about you and your work. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a stunning resume website using Squarespace. This online presence can make a significant difference in how you present yourself professionally. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide. Feel free to explore further customization options in Squarespace and keep updating your resume website as you gain more experience and skills.